In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn at least $500 a day with AI music and streaming apps like Spotify and YouTube.
While I yearn for golden sunshine in Cape Town, now it shines so brightly, but here I'm just a stranger wandering.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you something really exciting right now. Have you ever wanted to publish your own music? Well, I'm going to show you a way how you can make money with music using AI. Alright, let's get started.
Oh, my beloved South Africa, with your blue skies and golden grass. I miss the fray on Saturday nights, the laughter, jokes, and friendly fights.
Alright, to create your own music, you're going to need three things. You're going to need the app or the platform called Suno for AI music. You're going to need another app called DistroKid, which is a very affordable, well, it's not an app, it's a platform. You're going to need a subscription for that. And you're going to need an AI tool like ChatGPT. Like I said, I'm so excited to show you how to create your own music using AI, publishing it, and then actually publishing it to places like Spotify, where you can earn income from this. So where it will actually generate income for you. So let's go ahead. I'm on ChatGPT right here. I'm going to type in what kind of song I want. So I'm going to say, write song lyrics. I see it already comes up with like that tell a story of love lost. Let's say that tell a story of love lost. Alright, it's called Shadows of You, and it says it's an original song just for me. Alright, so now you're going to need three places, like I said, ChatGPT, DistroKid, and Suno. So we're going to copy this, and then Control-C, you're going to go over to Suno. Create yourself an account on Suno. You will need a paid account to be able to publish the music commercially, to be able to earn from it. So now, once you've created your account, you go to Custom, you paste your lyrics, and then you tell Suno what kind of style do you want. So I'm going to say female vocals, and this time I'm going to want to go for, I want a bit of a, what is surf rock, I wonder. Let's try that. Surf rock with, you can choose any of these things. I don't even know what half of them means. I'm such a bad person when it comes to music. Let's put in a guitar riff, energetic beat, crunkcore, contemplative. Okay, let's put all those things in. Then we go down. Under advanced options, I choose female there. I leave those the same. And then we're going to enter the song title. So you go quickly back to your ChatGPT, copy just the title, Control V or Command V, Control C, and then Control V to paste it. I always use those. Okay, and then as simple as that, you click create. Okay, it's gonna, while these two, it always creates two samples for you. So while they're busy creating, we're gonna quickly jump over and say to ChatGPT that we need album covers for this. So now we say create a 3D album cover featuring the artist name, which I'm using a pseudonym of Kathleen Tardy. You put your name, whatever name you want to use. And the size must be 3000 by 3000, okay? Let ChatGPT work on that while we go back to Suno and hear what this sounds like. quite like the intro so far.
We built a house of laughter on a summer's golden day. Every room.
Okay, let's hear the other one. Like that.
Every room is filled with echoes of the promises we made. But time is not a gentle hand.
Alright, so you get two versions. Then choose which version you like. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to a site called DistroKid. I will put all the links for all these three things down below in the description of this video, plus also the link to Manus AI, which I originally said I was going to use, but that whole video that I made for that got deleted. So I'm re-recording this for you quickly. So now we go to DistroKid. I'll show you how it looks from the beginning. You're going to create an account there. So DistroKid is what's going to distribute your music for you. So you have to have a Suno paid account so that you can have the music commercially distributed. So now you're going to make yourself an account here. I'm going to go to sign in because I've already created an account. And then I want to upload music. So uncheck Apple Music and iTunes for now. Leave all the rest in. See here, Spotify, top of the list. Wonderful. Now go back to Suno. Choose which one you want to download your music, the song of your choice. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. So now once you made your choice, you go over here on the three dots and you choose download. You're going to choose the Wave Audio Pro. That's going to prepare the download file for you. Click on download. Takes a few seconds in my case. Save. Now you're going to go back to DistroKid and you're going to upload your music. So just answer all these questions as they ask them. And then you're going to get to language, select a genre, singer-songwriter. Now you're going to enter your album cover here. Let's see what yes, I like that. Save that, upload our album cover. There we go. Enter your song title, put your song title in, answer all the questions as they are needed, add the audio file, upload that, answer all the questions as needed, and then you're going to check all these boxes and double check here that everything is as you like it, the name of the song, the name of your artist, and click continue, and then it uploads. And there you have it. You have now created a song that can start earning money for you. So you can advertise this song, you can promote it, and you can use it in TikTok, in Instagram, in Facebook, everywhere on your reels as well. So have fun creating music. If you enjoyed this video, have a look at this playlist here of pins to paychecks. This is how you create a blog to use with Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Basically a faceless kind of way of making money online that works for you in the background as you live your life. All right, we've got our song published. Leave in the comments if you've published a song. Tell us, and maybe leave a link to your song in the comments so that we can all hear your song and hear what it was like. I'll leave a link to my song in the comments so that everybody here that has watched me make the song can hear what it sounds like. Have a great day, everybody. Life is good. Have a fabulous weekend.